Crunch time meats. Pizzadoras. Side of ranch. This is the Dante. He's got some treats for the Captain Crunch. Yo, I got the Greek sirloin tip wrap. Greek sirloin tip wrap on crunch time. What you get there?
Chicken cutlet, lettuce, tomato, cheese, pickles, side of ranch.
Yo, is side of ranch. This got the meats with the side of the ranch. Time is all about is the side of ranch. It's got the side of the ranch for the crunch eats, chicken cutlet, some treats, crunch eats for crunch time. Get that, Captain Crunch.
Side of ranch and side of barbecue. Chicken cutlet. They're fried to order. They're fresh. Fried, straight out the fryer. Got cheese,
Yeah.
lettuce, tomato, pickles.
Yo, what's this place called here?
Pizzadoras. What?
Where is this Pizzadora's at?
Dedham, Massachusetts, only a few minutes away from Hyde Park Skate Park. So if you're ever in the area shredding, you need a sub or some pizza slices.
This is it.
What did you get?
Get it.
Gertrude?